So have a look. I'm working on a project. I'm making the letter B into a character. So this was a really fun art project for me. And I wrote the letter B, and now I am making little feet on the bottom. Uh, and now I did the ears and just other little details to fill out the character. I'm Monica. I'm a children's book author and a wannabe illustrator. I am the amateur illustrator. And follow me as I develop the book Browni Locks and the Three Combs. And this is my Patreon character that I'm working on. So, thanks for watching. So, I generally, when I sketch, I prefer to use notebook paper and pen. And this is really just a rough draft to help me get my ideas on paper. And this is just something to really help me warm up. And I recently got a record player. So I've been listening to different records as I draw to help give me some inspiration. And so while I was working on these sketches, I was listening to the original Whitney Houston, like her very first album, her breakout album. And so it was really nice to listen to that. And so basically, for the Patreon tier, I'll have four tiers. So I'm creating four different characters using the ink pen sketch here. And so those are the four characters. So I'm done with my basic sketch. As you can see, Buddy, Breezy, Bestie, and the Benefactor. And so now I'm using Clip Studio Paint. And as I said, I am definitely a beginner and I need to watch more videos and do tutorials so that I can learn the shortcuts. So if you have any shortcuts that you think will help me with Clip Studio Paint, definitely drop them down below in the comments. I need your help. So I did do a time lapse of this video, but it took me probably a few hours to do all of the characters, and I know that definitely took a really long time. But I need to learn, I need to practice. So thanks for helping me on that journey with Clip Studio Paint. But I do love the program. I did use it to illustrate another book, and so this is just something that kind of helped me start getting back into the frame of mind with drawing as I start my Browni Locks book project. So, with this particular character, I have a lot of layers, and I definitely need to do better about naming my layers and having that more organized. But I started out with the letter B, and I did kind of check around just to see what type of pen that I wanted to use. And honestly, I don't think I'm happy with the one that I selected. When I'm drawing, my goal is to eventually get to the textured crayon look. But I don't think that was necessarily the best look for this particular project. But right now I'm doing the nose, as you can see the little paws there. And so it really turned out cute. I only did a little bit, just minimum amount of shading and with the nose and just a little shading with the ears there. So definitely if you have any tips for shading, highlighting, how to do the order of the layers, I mean, I am definitely a beginner, so I could definitely use your help. Right now, so this is Patreon character number one. So for this tier, it will just be $1 for the supporters, and I wanted to make a really cute little bear character. So he has the red glasses. His name is Buddy, and if you notice, there's like an apple there, and I just love this character. And I was just playing here with the colors just to see if I really liked that tone for him. So that's the end result for Buddy. And now I just remove the glasses, and we're going to move to Patreon character number 2, which is Breezy. So Breezy, the number 2 tier Patreon character, he is $7 for the subscription. But Breezy is cool. So if you can see, he has his funky little sunglasses, and I played a little bit with the color just to give a nice effect to make it look like there was glare on the lenses. And then I just wanted to add with each character like a little badge or just a little extra just to give them a little personality. So for Breezy, he has the music notes. On Buddy with the red glasses, he has the apple. And so now we're moving to our third Patreon tier character. So number 3 is Bestie at $20. So the Bestie Patreon tier character, well, it's my best friend. So Bestie, has the love and heart theme. So Bestie Bear has the heart-shaped sunglasses, and I just thought that was like a super cute idea. And then I also decided to add some little hearts, just to give it a little more personality, for the little badge for Bestie Bear. Okay. The next character and the very last one that you'll see that's part of the Brownie Bunch is going to be the last tier, which is the Bear Benefactor. And so first we'll finish up with Bestie Bear and those 2 little hearts. And I played a lot with where to put those, but I think I found the right place. And move on. Now we're on to the Benefactor Bear at $50. So the Benefactor Bear, I wanted him to really look like a philanthropist. So he has the monocle and the top hat, and I just thought, that would make a really fun character for him. Also, for the Benefactor Bear, for the monocle, I played a little bit with the handle. I didn't know if I wanted to come straight down or if I wanted to have the curve. And as you can see, I ended up doing the curved handle there. Then I wanted for the Benefactor Bear, for his badge, is going to be a gold coin. So I played a little bit with the eye. I wasn't sure if I wanted an open eye or just a regular eye. Should I do a mustache? I just wasn't sure. And then I did end up adding the coin, the gold coin at the end for his badge. So for Buddy Bear, he has an apple. For Breezy, he has a music note. For Bestie, hearts. And then for Benefactor Bear here, I just did like a really little simple coin to go right there on the inside of the bee, just to give it a little personality. And so now you're about to see the final result where I put it together, and I kind of themed it around the Brady Bunch. So it's the Brownie Bunch. So you have like this square with the tears, and that's the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Monica, and please tune back in. Please feel free to leave tips for me. I'm new, I'm learning. I want to hear your feedback, and I'm sure you will enjoy seeing the development of this project that's so important to me. Thank you so much, and I hope you tune in again.